Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have learned about how to use sorted method and how to use sorted of comparator in Stream API with respect to Java 1.8. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about what are the key differences between the sorted of method and sorted of comparator method with respect to Stream API and when to use what, right? So let's get started. So here I have listed out all the differences between how to use the sorted method and sorted of comparator. So basically, whenever the requirement says that I want to sort the data or the elements in the object, the collection of object with respect to a natural default sorting order. So when I say natural default sorting order, which means like let's say if it is something called alphabets or strings, it has to start from A to Z, and if it is anything numbers, it has to start from ascending order, right? At other way around, if I want to have a custom defined sorting order, let's say if I want to implement my own logic, then I can easily go for sorted of comparator C, which means the comparator object C has to be passed as a parameter to the sorted method, and otherwise you can simply call sorted of. So let's get see what does it mean. So when I say natural sorting order, which means like if it is numbers, which means ascending order, if it is strings, which means alphabetical order. Let's say, take this example. Let's say I have something called array list where I have like added some strings here, Mani, Karthik, Jay and San. Now I want to sort this by natural default sorting order. So then what I should do, first I will convert this collection of list into a stream, so that I want to use it as s.stream of, and then dot sorted off, which means like natural default sorting order, and then correct as a list, and then just printed it. And similarly I have one more example where I am displaying how to sort happens, how sorting happens with respect to integers. If you see here Jay, Karthik, Mani and San, which means nothing but ascending order or alphabetical order, right? And then if we see 10, 20, 100 and 1000, which is nothing but ascending order. Let's say this side I want to have the same field, like same data set like Mani, Karthik, Jay and San, but I want to go for descending order. Then what I did, like first I convert this collection S into stream.s.stream of, then I am applying sorted. Within that I am going to pass the comparator C. We know that comparator is nothing but a function interface in Java, which means I can override the implement the logic here. So I am saying like I'm representing with the help of lambda, where I say I1 comma I2. If I say I1 and I2, then I'm going to use I2.compare2 of I1, which means it is going to give back the descending order. So and I'm going to characterize a list, and I just printed it. So if you see the descending order, I'm getting San, Mani, Karthik and Jay, which is opposite to whatever it is here. So this is all about like the difference between sorted and sorted of comparator. Now I'm going to run the program and see how the output looks like. So here the same output, right? So what we expected in the previous video. Basically we have a list of people here, Mani, Karthik and Jay and San, and now we are trying to have it like first we convert this into stream of object. So say s.stream of, and then I am using sorted of. So that is why I'm getting in the alphabetical order Jay, Karthik and Mani and San, right? Similarly for integers, I'm getting like ascending order 10, 20, 100 and 1000. And if I want to have my own custom defined sorting order, so I'm using a comparator here, like I1 comma I2 means I want to compare I2 with I1, right? So I2.compare2 of I1, so which means it's the descending order. So I'm actually getting it as Santosh, Mani, Karthik and Jay. So this is how actually it works. So I hope you guys have understood this concept very clearly. If you guys have any question, please post your comments. Thank you. Bye.